Okay, so today we are going to start your exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2, there are only two sums which have a common concept in between. ठीक है, दोनों सम का जो कंसेप्ट है वो आप लोगों का सेम ही है. तो देखिए फर्स्ट सम, हाउ वुड यू रीराइट यूक्लिड्स फिफ्थ पोस्टुलेट so that it would be easier to understand. So first of all, what you are asked over here, you have to write Euclid's fifth postulate in easier manner so that we can understand it properly. For that, first of all, you have to write Euclid's fifth postulate. Euclid's fifth postulate. What is that postulate? Each and every one. If a straight line, if a line falling on two straight lines, if a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angle on the same side of it, taken together less than two right angles, then the two straight lines if produced indefinitely meet on the side on which the sum of the angles is less than two right angles. Okay, now how can I explain this in a simpler way? So first of all, what I will do, I will draw a line like this. Let's say this is one line and let's say this is another line. If a straight line is falling on the two straight lines, बराबर है, makes the interior on angles on the same side of it. Let's say angle 1 है और ये है angle 2. Less than two right angles. Obviously, these are less than two right angles. Then two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on the side which the sum of the angles is less than two right angles. Suppose इसको मैं extend कर रहा हूँ, something like this over here. The point will meet, these two lines will meet somewhere over here. इसका मतलब है if angle 1 plus angle 2 is less than 180, बराबर है, then two lines will meet over here. That means यहाँ पे अगर मैं angle 3 और angle 4 लेता हूँ तो that will be angle 3 plus angle 4 which will be greater than 180. अगर यहाँ पे less than 180 है तो यहाँ पे कौन क्या आएगा? It will be greater than 180. That means these two lines will never ever intersect each other. These two lines will never ever intersect each other on this side. ये खास ध्यान रखना. ये साइड पे वो दोनों लाइन क्या होगी? इंटरसेक्ट नहीं होगी, लेकिन ये साइड पे होगी. इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर मैं सिंपल वे में लिखूं, ठीक है, so what is the simple way या simple meaning to write this? So in a simpler way, can I write if a line is falling on two straight lines, right? The sum of the interior angles should be, if it is exactly 180 degrees, that means this is also 1 plus 2 is also 180 and 3 plus 4 is also 180 degree, then these two lines will be parallel lines. बराबर है? If I say if a straight line falling on two straight lines, मैं simple language में बता रहा हूँ. If a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angle on the same side, which will be taken as exactly 180. That is, if angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180, या तो angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to 180, then these two lines so formed will never ever intersect each other. And we have seen yesterday only, two lines which will never ever intersect each other gives a concept of what? Gives a concept of parallel lines. Right? Give the concept of what? Your parallel lines. Then you can write this statement as, आप लोग लिख सकते हो, मैं डिक्टेट करूंगा आप लोगों को. This statement can be written as, if a line is falling on two straight lines, if a line is falling on two straight lines, making the sum of the two interior angles, making the sum of two interior angles on same side of it, on same side of it is equal to two right angles, is equal to two right angles, then two lines are parallel to each other. Then two lines are parallel to each other. Okay? ये सिंपल लैंग्वेज में समझ में आ गया आप लोगों को? चलो, let's move forward towards your sum number 2. Sum number 2. Question is, does Euclid's fifth postulate imply the existence of parallel lines? Yes, we have already proved in sum number 1 itself that yes, it implies the existence of parallel lines. How it will explain? Now let me explain you again. If this is your line L and this is your line M, and if a line N is falling on it, right, then angle 1 and angle 2 so formed, which is less than 180, then angle 3 and angle 4 so formed will be more than 180, right? If I expand this or extend this like this, then somewhere it is going to meet. But if angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 and angle 3 plus angle 4 is equals to 180, then these two lines will never ever meet each other. And if two lines are never ever meeting each other, then two lines are said to be known as parallel lines. That's it. And this is the end of your chapter 5, Euclid's Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. Thank you very much, each and everyone.